Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Brian from Search for Dale. This is the first video for 2021. I've been busy, I guess. So many things happened, so just didn't have time or motive, or emotionally kind of down, depressed, whatever. Blah blah blah. But hobby market's still hot, and I've been open a couple of hobby boxes, baseball, and a lot of blast of NBA hoops. Of course, I pay a premium for it. And this one I picked up from my local store, hobby store, for $360 including tax. So I thought it was a good deal. This one was the last box they have, and this is the first box I opened for hybrid, so-called hobby box we call, but this is a hybrid box. Goes about what, $450. It comes with a full pack, so it's like $100 per pack, so it's very expensive. It's not very cost effective, $100 a pack. It's not, you're not gonna get any money back from this, It's just ridiculously expensive. But just want to open it for my YouTube channel, so here we go. 4 packs, 6 cards per pack. I spent about what, $1,500 for the blaster NBA hoops, a lot of boxes. I pay around like $50 per blaster. It's like 120 for mega box. I spent about $1,500, but of course I lose money, because modern cards price came down. This shark, they all have a print line like this, so it's very hard to grade on these cards. Harris and a RJ Barrett tribute, and the red is Ryu Hachimura red, and the green is Jaren Jackson. It's 57 out of 99, so it's not too bad, not the best, but it's a good name. Second pack. I haven't seen anybody pull the order from this hybrid box, so I'm sure. Trae Young, Carmelo Anthony, and rookie is Bol. What happened to Bol? And Lakers, Quinn Quick. I thought it was LeBron James. And the red is Diallo, and Grant Williams silver hollow, we call. See, there's $200 right there. And third pack, Rozier, Juan Gomez, Randall, Kevin Porter. Guess he's doing pretty good this year. And hey, Jason Tatum. I'll take that pink. Kendrick Nunn, rookie. Ooh, 20 out of 25 pink. It's pretty short print. Not bad. Jason Tatum cards getting. His cards hot since last year, and so no Zion or Jar yet. Chris Dunn, Duncan Robinson. Ooh, there you go. NBA hoops, Ja Morant. Not bad. Another Jaren Jackson. Come on. And the last one is Iguodala, Andres, hollow. No No rookie though. The red is not numbered, but oh, I take this NBA hoops. I love this design. This is so cool. Anyway, so I think I did okay. There's Morant and Jason Tatum 25 pink. Yeah, there's a print line right here. A little bit of surface issues. It's typical print lines, so I thought it was better than, you know, many box from YouTube. But oh, by the way, I just got this one. Kevin Durant rookie auto. I pay big bucks for it, but it's number 30 out of 100. Hopefully Kevin Durant cards going up like you know, other legend player like LeBron James and Kobe Bryant, of course. So this is my latest picked up, and thanks for watching, and hope you know, I create more videos like this, and I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.